Hey you kids, and welcome to today's video. I hope you had a wonderful Christmas. I sure did myself, because today we're going to be unboxing the iPhone, but not just any iPhone, the iPhone 14. Now you sheep may be saying, that's not an iPhone 15, that's a 14. You broke. Well, you know what my message to you is? Shush. I don't think I really need the 15 because it really doesn't change anything besides adding USB-C and the action button. But here's the iPhone 14. And yes, it has officially been 1 year since I got my first Apple device. This iPad here, which doesn't look as brand new as it used to. But this iPhone will offer some special stuff. I think this is gonna be my new camera. I mean, this camera is not bad, but this camera is gonna be so much better. Oh, I tell ya. Alright. iPhone 14. Not sure what model this is. I imagine it's the regular one. So, let's get to unboxing. Now for some ASMR. Is the iPhone 14. It's not the Pro. As you can see, it only has 2 cameras, and it does have the dynamic island, but it's gonna offer something pretty special. We also have sorry about that. We need to be more careful with this. Come on. Come on out, you can do it. The lightning cable. Ooh, it's a spring, so fun. What do we have in here? iPhone. Before using iPhone, review the iPhone user guide. And of course, we get some cool this cool Apple sticker. I know exactly where I'm sticking this. I miss the old design of the old iMacs with the Apple logo on the bottom, so there. Alright. As always, I'm gonna keep the box because I kept the iMac box, I kept the iPad box, now I'm keeping the Apple. Time to boot it up and set it up. So let's go. Alright. Here we are. Here's the iPhone. Now, where's the power button? Oh, I think it's here. No? Oh, there it is. There's the Apple logo. Yeah, you can see there? Hello. The iconic Steve Jobs thing. Swipe up. Select your language, English. Select your country, Canada. Appearance. And default. Quick start. Let's try. This is a feature introduced with iOS 11, so we're gonna see if we can sync data from my iPad here. Set up new iPhone. Ugh, just stopped recording accidentally. Come on, focus. This is why I hate Android phones. See, this is why I want to use this camera. This phone is a camera. Quick start, continue. Hold your iPhone up to the new camera. New iPhone up to the camera. Continue on your iPad. Set up new iPhone. Settle for me. Finish it on other iPhone. The iPhone. Setting up your iPhone. There it is. It's setting it up. It takes you a few minutes to activate your iPhone. Data and privacy. Continue. Even though it's BS. Face ID. Sure, why not? How to set up Face ID? Oh, I can see. Wait, hold on. Can you see the infrared light right there? Can you see the infrared light? So how to set up Face ID? Started. First Face ID, scan complete. Here's Face ID with mask. Oh, and my lovely Bliss background just went away. With a mask. I'm wearing a mask because of COVID. Almost said that I'd wear because I don't really wear a mask that much. Face ID is now set up. First there was Touch ID, then there's Face ID. PWF, terms, conditions, agree, signing in. Transfer your apps and data. Okay, from another iPhone? Do we do that? Done. Oh. Continue. Device added to your account. Okay. Don't transfer anything. Apple ID. Let's sign in. Alright. Signed in. Alright. Entered the passcode. come on now. Make this your new iPhone. Siri. On, screen time on. Continue. I'll only download automatically. Location services. Sure, I will have my location. Apple Pay. We'll set that up later. Might get an Apple Card one day. iPhone Analytics. Sure. App Analytics. Sure. Emergency SOS. Sure. Welcome to iPhone. And there we go. There's our iPhone. Continue. Continue. Use this iPhone when sharing your location. Use. Finish setting up your iPhone. No. Do that. So here it is. Here's our iPhone 14. Pretty cool. And hey, look at that. Even iMovie's on here. So gonna remove that stack. Remove that stack. Boom. Now we have some apps. So let's download some apps. Boom, look at that. Now time to change up the wallpaper. Alright, got a new wallpaper applied. Can't really see it that well. But I think it's time to switch to a new camera. Are you ready? 3. Okay, these phones are gonna swap places. With my Samsung Android phone and my new iPhone 14. 3, 2, 1.